Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this PDF editors platform, which is Tenorshare. So let's dive into it. Tenorshare is best known for its powerful data recovery and device management tools, but its PDF editors has been gaining attention in 2025 for being simple, reliable, and feature-packed. It allows users to edit, merge, convert, and annotate PDFs with ease, making it a solid choice for both professional and personal together with business needs. The interface is user-friendly and compared to big names like Adobe, it's much more affordable while still delivering essential features. So talking about the pros include its smooth editing tools, best performance, and the added benefit of being handled with other Tenorshare utilities, which make it an all-in-one solution for people who want more than just PDF editing. However, Tenorshare PDF editor isn't as advanced as top-tier competitors when it comes to professional level design or collaboration features, and some users may find that customer support response time could be improved. It also lacks cloud integration compared to more established tools. That said, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, efficient, and beginner-friendly PDF editors, Tenorshare offers great value. So, in conclusion, it's a good option for users who want a straightforward PDF editing without the high subscription cost of premium alternatives. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.